Many people believe they're completely safe just because they use WhatsApp. But the truth is, that's not always the case. While WhatsApp does promise end-to-end encryption, there are a few hidden settings, often turned on by default, that can actually leave your private data exposed without you realizing it. What I'm about to share isn't just theory or scare tactics. These things happen every single day, and people fall victim without even knowing. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Linked devices. If you leave your phone unattended, even for just a minute, someone could quickly link your WhatsApp to another device through WhatsApp Web. From then on, they'd have access to all your chats, photos, and could even send messages pretending to be you. Here's how to check and protect yourself. Open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Linked Devices. You'll see a list of connected devices. If you spot Windows or Chrome and you never logged in from there, that's a red flag. Also, look at the last login time. If it doesn't match your activity, someone else may be inside your account. To fix this, tap the suspicious device and log it out. Then enable two-step verification. Go to Settings, Account, Two-step verification. Set a 6-digit PIN. Keep it private and don't save it on your phone. Now, even if someone tries linking a new device, they can't do it without your code. 2. Profile picture risks. Your WhatsApp profile photo isn't as harmless as you think. Anyone with your number can save it and run a reverse search on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. That could reveal your full name, workplace, and even family details. A huge privacy risk. Open Settings, Privacy, Profile Photo. Change it from Everyone to My Contacts, or Nobody, for maximum privacy. Use a different photo than the one on your social media account so people can't easily connect them. 3. Groups and spam calls. If your group settings are open, anyone can add you to random groups filled with fake ads, crypto scams, or phishing links. That means your number and name get exposed to strangers. Spammers can also flood you with unwanted calls. To stop this, go to Settings, Privacy, Groups. Change Everyone to My Contacts, or My Contacts Except, if you want to block specific people. 4. Extra privacy steps. Finally, don't forget these advanced settings. From Privacy, scroll down to Advanced Settings. Enable block messages from unknown accounts. Enable hide IP address during calls. Enable disable automatic link previews. These extra steps make your WhatsApp much harder to exploit. Stay safe, keep your settings tight, and I'll see you in the next video.